Hello, my name is Alexis Jaimes, and this is my mini lecture for Chapter 1. The learning objective that I picked was define and distinguish the term actions, movements, and neuromotor processes, and give examples of each. Now, moving straight to the point. Action is taking a skill and making sure that it involves some sort of movement. Now, actions is a term often used synonymously with another term called motor skills. Now, an example of actions would be picking up a cup or kicking the ball into the goal. When dealing with skills and actions, or skills/actions, again using synonymously, there needs to be a goal to achieve. Types of motor skills that are performed voluntarily, motor skills that require movement of any joints and body segments that complete any goals, and finally, any skills that need to be learned or relearned if you had an injury or disease. Now, going back to the previous example of actions, where we are kicking the ball into the goal. This is a great example because it hits all the characteristics of skills and actions by us literally scoring a goal by using movements of joints and body segments. Now moving on to movements. Movement is a specific pattern of motion among joints and body segment. Specific patterns can mean that the brain is telling us where to move a limb, which connects with neuromotor processes. An example of movements would be doing a high V, which for any cheerleader or gymnast might know is just basically you creating a fist and punching up into a V shape with your arms. Neuromotor processes is mechanisms within the nervous and muscular system that brings about the control of movements and actions. An example of neuromotor processes would be hand and foot coordination, like driving a car. The way to distinguish between actions and movements and neuromotor processes is actions is the outcome. Movement is the process of completing the skill or action, and neuromotor processes is talking about what happened in our mind and our body that allowed us to carry out that specific action. Thank you for listening and hoping you enjoyed.